Today I'm going to share with you the top 5 travel essentials you absolutely need for your next adventure. We're talking about the gear that's going to make your life easier, safer, and way more enjoyable, no matter where you're headed. I've logged some serious miles, from crowded city streets to remote mountain trails, and trust me, these are the items that have saved my ass countless times. So, if you're ready to travel smarter, not harder, buckle up and let's dive right in. First up, we're talking backpacks. Not just any backpack, we need something durable, something that can handle being tossed around, crammed into overhead bins and dragged through the mud if it has to. Think weather-resistant material, lockable zippers and comfortable straps, because nobody wants a sore back on day one. But it's not just about toughness, it's about organization. Look for a pack with dedicated compartments for your laptop, camera gear, and all those little essentials you need to keep organized. Trust me, digging through a bottomless pit of clothes for your passport is not a vibe. A good travel backpack is your mobile base camp, your trusty sidekick. It keeps your gear safe, organized, and easily accessible, which is crucial when you're navigating a new city or trekking through the wilderness. Remember, pack smart, pack light, and pack for anything. All right, let's talk about staying connected. In today's hyper-connected world, a dead phone isn't just an inconvenience, it's a potential safety hazard. Imagine getting lost in a foreign city with no way to navigate, translate, or call for help. Not a good look. That's where a reliable portable charger comes in. We're talking about a compact powerhouse that can juice up your phone, camera, headphones, whatever you need, multiple times over. Look for one with fast charging capabilities and enough capacity to get you through a long flight or a day of exploring without hitting empty. Because let's be real, the best travel moments often happen off the beaten path, where outlets are scarce and adventure awaits. Don't let a dead battery kill your vibe. Stay charged up and stay ready for anything. Let's face it, travel can be chaotic. From the roar of airplane engines to the chatter of crowded streets, sometimes you just need to tune out the world and find your zen. That's where a good pair of noise-cancelling headphones come in clutch. We're not just talking about blocking out distractions, we're talking about creating your own personal sanctuary. Imagine slipping on those headphones and being instantly transported to your happy place, whether it's a secluded beach or a cozy coffee shop. Noise-cancelling headphones are a game-changer for long flights, noisy hostels, or just those moments when you need to escape the sensory overload and recharge. Trust me, your sanity will thank you. Okay, I know what you're thinking. A travel pillow? Really? But hear me out. When it comes to long journeys, comfort is king, and a good travel pillow can be the difference between arriving refreshed and feeling like you got run over by a truck. We're not talking about those flimsy inflatable things that deflate after 5 minutes. We're talking about a supportive ergonomic pillow that cradles your head and neck, preventing those dreaded neck kinks and travel headaches. Whether you're catching some shut-eye on a red-eye flight, snoozing on a train, or just trying to get comfortable in a cramped bus seat, a travel pillow is your secret weapon for arriving at your destination feeling human. Last but not least, we have the unsung hero of any travel kit, the multi-tool. This isn't just about being handy, it's about being prepared for the unexpected, because let's face it, when you're on the road, things happen. Zippers break, straps snap, bottles need opening. A good multi-tool is like having a toolbox in your pocket. We're talking screwdrivers, knives, pliers, bottle openers, even scissors, all packed into one compact device. It's the ultimate problem solver for those little everyday challenges that pop up when you least expect them. Trust me, whether you're a seasoned adventurer or a casual traveler, a multi-tool is an investment you won't regret. It's the MacGyver of travel gear, always there to save the day. There you have it, folks. These are my top 5 travel essentials that will make your next trip smoother and more enjoyable. Remember, it's not about packing every gadget under the sun, it's about choosing gear that's functional, durable, and designed to enhance your travel experience. So ditch the unnecessary baggage, pack smart, and get out there and explore the world. Adventure awaits. And with these essentials by your side, you'll be ready for anything. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel tips and adventures.